My pillow bunnies. Today we're at Ikea. We got Ralph. I forgot her name. And then
That's Kylie.
That's Kylie, guys.
You forgot about me. Oh my days.
So what are we looking
Ang
for?
tahimik dito, naiya ako. Ngayon. Ang tahimik dito. What are we looking for? We're looking for organizer. Organizer? A bed sheet? Try ka nga mag-ano to. Upo ka dyan, dali.
Me?
Oh.
No? make Ralph and Tom do it.
What?
Bro, like feel at home. Try to like.
Try to look home.
Yeah, it feels like. Go.
You know what you can do? They can lay on a bed and pretend they're sleeping.
Oh my god. Should we do that?
Yeah, go.
No, like a bed. Like you're gonna go under the bed sheet.
Wait. Oh my. Okay, I'm down.
Oh,
I'm
are
so
down
done.
or down? Come on, let's go be down, bro.
Today's video we're gonna cook
Nothing.
Asher. We're gonna cook Asher. Asher. Oh, this is do they sell these? That's it. 30 minutes. 30 minutes, guys. Transition. Today we put water in the pot.
Okay.
You're cooking what? Pancit canton?
Yeah. And then you're putting it in,
Kylie is saying this is peach.
It is peach.
Baby pink. This one's pink, right?
Yeah.
This is the pink.
Hold on.
You're asking for pink, and this is peach.
They said this is bubble gum pink.
Mm-hmm. Right?
This one?
Okay, wait.
What's this one? It's more on like peach side, not pink.
Are you colorblind? It's not peach.
Girl,
It is not
if you
peach.
contrast it
even
in
know
like
peach is
orange,
pink. I
bro.
don't think-
Like
Like
content.
if you tell me what?
What it says?
Warm
Also
purple
pink.
with
See?
a hint of peach undertone.
But it's not peach. You're saying it's peach.
That GPT said it.
Bro, okay, fine. We
I'm
both
not gonna get
quit.
it. You're
It's
getting
two of
it
us.
So you're not getting anything?
No, because like my sister has one and it's like baby pink, but it's full set.
Okay, so what do you think it looks like? This one or that one?
But she has a full set. You know what I mean?
Then why
I don't
won't
know
you
what
look
that
for full set and not like
Full
this
set,
one?
Like there's like filled sheets and then there's
Yun nga.
pillowcase, right?
Oh, eh baka di na tayo maghanap doon kung may full set. Hi guys, so we're at Winners today. We're back and we're back. Apparently, pumunta lang kami sa Ikea for nothing.
Yeah, there's no bed sheets for me.
Yeah, which is so sad. But now we're just looking for like candy. We're gonna play a game later.
Dapat entertain
Loki,
tayo.
Loki, I look cute. Check out my outfit. Check out my outfit. Look. Slide. Oh, siya naman. Tayo daw. Hey. Our picture.
Two.
Dirty ice cream. Loki's my first time. I haven't been to. First time mo?
Yeah.
What?
No, like, since we don't get ice cream there. We get the
Oh.
one near here. It's
Oh.
something called Grizzly.
Oh, I see, I see. Alright.
You've tried
We'll
yellow
try it.
though, right?
Yeah, I did. Hi! Hi! Got a bag. Sige, going bag. A dirty ice cream. Namimili sila, guys. Wait,
We're getting the,
Take.
how do you say that? Manggagala.
Manggagala. Manggagala?
Manggagala.
Ube, hell yeah.
Did you grow up here?
Kulang ka.
No. Medyo I just sound like one.
We gotta check. Fun excited?
Maganda.
I'm not crush out. Oh my gosh. Yeah.
Guys, 5.
Oh my days. Just get yours.
5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. So this is mine. This is mine. This is
This is mine's.
This is yours.
Slay! Slay!
Nice, can we cheers?
Cheese.
Look, that's good.
We have to rate it. We have to rate it.
I'm gonna give it 8.
I love ube and cheese, so it's a 10.
What's that rated?
Look at him.
10. 10.
Just finish it.
7. Tastes like,
Seven.
ano, I can make this up.
Then just make it.
Yeah.
Just make it.
Konnichiwa.
Hi! Yaski! Ay, sino yan?
Are you done?
Nice way. Hi, Asher. Bruh. Just gonna chill some movie time here. Some movie. Di pa nagsisimula.